Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make the easiest and simplest hairband ever. This is the type of hairband that requires just a little piece of fabric and you can make it within 5 to 10 minutes. Even if you don't have a sewing machine as well, I can guarantee you that you can still make this. It's very fast and super easy. So all you need is a fabric that is 23 by 5.5 inches long. So you're going to fold it into two, right side facing each other. Then take it over to your sewing machine and stitch by half of an inch. After stitching it by half of an inch, I went ahead to turn it over like this. After then, I went ahead to iron it. But at the point I was making this video, there was no light. So I had to continue mine like that. But for the purpose of those reselling, you can iron it to give it that neat finished look. So after ironing it, I let the seam line be at the center right What here. You have to do next is to bring both sides together this way. And you're going to move the top one and let it stop at the middle like this. Now you're going to wrap this one towards the back and wrap the other one towards the front. And then you take it to your sewing machine and stitch by half of an inch. So when I was done stitching, it looks like this. What I did next was to trim off the excess. I also chopped off the corners so that the fabric can relax properly. After trimming it and making it look clean, just open it up and that is it. I told you it's very simple and easy to make within few minutes. You can also make as many as possible in a day. You can sell it or gift it alongside with your customer's wig as a little appreciation gift. You can gift it to a friend and you can also rock it yourself. Like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more amazing content. I share a lot of tutorials and reviews on my channel. Kindly go through my channel and you'll definitely see what you like. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in my next video. Bye.